So on my last video, I talked about how we can get leaky gut. A lot of times it's because we have poor stomach digestion in the stomach and we're letting the food come down undigested, especially if you're on antacids, you're not digesting your food well. But we want to get that food broken down really tiny as it travels down. You have about 22 to 24 feet of small intestine, depending on the size. And it travels down that small intestine and goes through that intestinal wall that's only one cell thick and goes into your bloodstream, right? And then it goes into a cell, and that's how nutrition happens. But when we get leaky gut, then we have big molecules getting in the bloodstream that shouldn't be there, sending off alarms to your immune system that, hey, this is the enemy, I need to attack it. And that's inflammation. So sometimes what you'll see when you have leaky gut is migraine headaches, constipation or diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, and almost 75% of all the autoimmune diseases are connected to a leaky gut. So it's really important that you heal your gut if you've got any autoimmune, any like pain in the body, inflammation in the body, because it's more than likely happening because it's starting in the stomach and coming down into the small intestine and not getting broken down all the way. You can fix this, but for now, let's just focus on how do we get that stomach working good? Stay tuned.